No, you're not. You should.
Okay.
She's trying to
He's
eat her
asleep.
snack.
That's okay. He's asleep. Let's go. These things are amazing. I eat all the popcorn out, so I have nothing but pretzels left. Hi everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that today...
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I'm so excited today because this is the fourth and final video for my holiday eye makeup tutorial series. Everybody had a really Merry Christmas, by the way. It's a really fun, dramatic, sparkly, glittery, false metal eyeliner, false eyelash metal, all kinds of stuff going on. Because you know me, I can't have just one thing. I have for the New Year's and ringing the New Year's with glitter and sparkle and. Of course, we had to do the false eyelashes because it wouldn't be a New Year's look without false eyelashes. Want to know how to do this look? Then just keep watching and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so we're going to start off doing this video a little bit different than how I normally do it. Do our eye makeup first before we do our face because this is going to be a real deep, dark, heavy smoky eye. We're going to expect it to have a lot of fallout through here. And what we want to do is we want to go ahead and get the fallout out of the way and done before we put our makeup on. To clean up fallout, you do run the risk of smudging it and making it look like you just came out of a fire. So, okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to prep our eyelid. The LA Colors Concealer in the shade Light, the dollar store. Fingertips. What we want to do, we actually want to set that because we're going to go into some really dark colors and I want it to blend out smoothly. Profusion Cosmetics 21 shade eyeshadow palette. Oh, and this is the Velvet Matte. I used this one in my last video. I'm in love with this. We're going to go into the shade right here, Snap, which is just a very light shade eyelid. Okay. And you want to make sure your brushes are clean every time you use it. The e.l.f. Daily Brush Cleaner, like $3. It's a really good spray. You just basically just spray your brushes pretty well. Just clean it off on a towel. You do need to go in and do a really good cleaning about once a week with baby shampoo. But this works in the meantime to get out those stubborn colors. We're going to go into this matte palette here, this Likeable. We're going to go in light first and then work our way up to dark. I have hooded eyes, so I'm going to start above my crease. Just right here, just kind of feathering in. And I really hope y'all can see this. So don't worry about getting down here below because we're going to clean that up later. This shade right here, Clever Blending Crease Brush from Sonia Kashuk. It's basically the same, but it's a little bit smaller. And we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to go in and just kind of feather it in. You want everything to just kind of blend in together to help you with that slight cat eye that we're going to work on. Get like a lot of steps, but you don't want to just go in straight with a dark color because then it's just going to look like you just rubbed your eyes in soot. Color Cozy, that's a little bit more of a cooler brown, chocolate brown. Same brush, you're just going to tap the end, just kind of like that. And same thing. You know, for $10, you really can't beat it, but you will have to kind of play around with the colors and see which ones do what. Okay, now we're going to go in with the blue. I'm actually going to take the came with the Profusion palette to use it just to tap colors in. You're not really good at blending. The Wonderlust palette from Profusion. I'm going to go in with this color called Enigma. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm going to work outward, inward. Just start tapping it on your outer corner. And you see it spreads out really well. And keep doing this too. Keep doing that flick on the outside. Oh, that is so pretty. You're doing a tapping motion, but you're also, as you're tapping it, you're pulling it. And I'm slowly blending it inward about 2/3 of the way over my lid. Now we're going to go in like this, kind of to the side to wipe it because you're going to wipe it to the rest of your lid. But you don't want, you just want a gentle wash of color. You don't want it to be as concentrated right as it is on the outer corner. You're not supposed to pull your eyes just because it helps to prevent wrinkles if you don't, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. The brush we initially put our first colors on, don't put any product on it. You just kind of go back in and you just kind of blend so that blue meshes in. That same brush you did the blue on, you're gonna go back to your Velvet Mattes palette and you're gonna pick up this one right here. This is called Energy. This is very, very dark black matte. Do the outer corner again, just to kind of, and this time you're going to go in little circles. Go Tools brush I love so much, the Blend and Smudge eyeshadow brush. It's dual ended. Smaller brush, color Splash. Oh no, look at that. Hello, Vegas. This is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Liquid Eyeshadow. Black is the new black. Just going to put that on the back of the hand. You can see it's really, really dark, but it's got a lot of sparkle in it. We're going to take our fingertips, and you're just going to keep tapping it. And then you're going to tap it on. So you get the sparkle without the black. Okay.
I need you.
The next step, what we're going to do is we're going to clean up the outer corner, a wipe, and you're going to do just like you do your cat eye. You're going to follow your lower lash line and you're just going to pull sharp like that and clean it up. Now we're going to move on to our foundation. Do our primer, which is what we always do. Photo Focus Matte Face Primer. Foundation, we're going to go into my tried and true favorite, the Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. I have to do your forehead. Maybelline Age Rewind Dark Circle Concealer.
Have you seen my first thing?
And just with a dry beauty sponge. It's okay, honey. Just be quiet, please. I'm almost done. Now we're going to take back into that Wanderlust palette, frosty white shade called Illusion, and ever so slightly just kind of brush it on your brow bone. Always the case. Back into the matte palette, color Likeable, accent shadow brush. Start with the outer corner because you're going to bring down all those colors from top, but you don't want it to be too patchy. And Clever, which is this one right here. Enigma right here. Lord. Energy, this black matte one. You see my child in the background. NYX Matte Bronzer in medium. Do the perimeter like I always do. Large eyeshadow brush, Chill, which is one of my favorite shades. I'm debating. Wait for false eyelashes. I can do it flawlessly on somebody else. Oh no. New Year's. You know what? It's New Year's. We're gonna do it. It's usually I trim it, but you know what? It's New Year's. We're saying goodbye to 2018 with a bang. The whole thing on. Just don't even care. I'll have eyelashes all the way to my nose. And we're gonna say a prayer. Oh, that's what I needed. Look at that. That is what she needed.
Can I please do your makeup with that?
Honey, we're not gonna have time for you to do my makeup. Even wash. I'm not even gonna have time to wash this off. I have to go to the grocery store in full glam. Not that I'm complaining.
It's full glamming.
Everything I own in makeup on my face.
Hi guys.
So fun. Look at that. How much fun does that look? Just brush off that bake real quick. We're going to use some blush. We're going to highlight just a little bit. 2 different blushes for both highlighter and blush. Uses the Milani Baked Blush. These are just my ultimate favorite. This one is in the shade Berry Amore, which is 03. The e.l.f. Angled Blush Brush. Kind of go in. Let me finish this, please.
Hey, then I'll do your makeup. It won't take long to do your makeup.
And just kind of blend it, and I like it because it's got shimmer in it, but it's not glittery. It just gives you just a really pretty nice glow. Go in with the shade Rosa Romantica. This is a very, very light shade, but it's got enough shimmer in it to where I can actually use as a highlighter. See, isn't that pretty? I may have forgotten my highlighter brush upstairs. Clean, fluffy eyeshadow brush. Just gonna coat my brush really good. And we're not going to use a whole lot because it's pink. So you don't want to have like a pink skin, but you do want a little bit of glow at the top. I'm not going to do a whole lot. Very, very subtle. A little bit through here. I'm going to set it. Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Like I said, Urban Decay works really, really well. But it stinks. This Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color, and this is a matte metallic shade. Does not say Ho Glow. Oh, it's HD Glow. I need my glasses. HD Glow. This smells like candy. I like it. Not quite what I'm looking for though. This is the Profusion Cosmetics. This is the Mixed Metals Lip Set in Nude. It's about $5 at Target. You get a matte lip cream, a lip liner, and then you get a metallic lip cream. So none of these are lip glosses. They're actually lip creams. Full coverage. I think we're going to go with the lip liner and the metal, just a shiny one. I think we'll save the matte for later. Called Nude Intrigue is the name of this lip liner. And this one it goes on just like a gloss. It smells good too. I don't know, this might be good. Got way too high on my overline. Oh, that's not my real lip. I kind of like it. Pretty, I do like that. Get ready, I promise, but like I said, I don't talk while I'm getting ready either. This is the final look, eyelashes and all. Really fun to do. I'm glad I didn't have to whisper. Really hope you enjoy this video, and this is the final video in my series, and I'm so glad that I was able to finish filming all of them and do it and really get a series going, give you some good ideas for the holidays, both Christmas and New Year's, and I really hope that you enjoyed it as much as I do making them. I have a lot of fun making them. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you know when I upload a video, because Lord knows who knows when that will be. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you guys had a really Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year.